Hey guys, this is like a very quick video for you about the Bimmercode and Bimmerlink and what are the main differences and what do you have to be aware of if you want to get like each of these, okay? So first thing first, the Bimmercode is like a fan app. So it used to change comfort settings, activate hidden features like video in motion, mirror fall, and tweak lighting. It is considered safe in regular mode, but risky if expert mode is used carelessly. So that's for the Bimmercode. Now with the Bimmerlink, that's the repair app, essentially for reading, clearing codes, monitoring engine oil transmission temperatures, and registering a new battery. So the functionality, so the Bimmercode, taillight modification, auto folding mirrors, disabling warning sounds. Now with the Bimmerlink, you got like diesel, particulate filter, regeneration, exhaust flap control, and monitoring live boost and torque. So these are the primarily like the things to be aware of. So if you want to customize your car's behavior immediately, get Bimmercode. But if you want to check like the engine light or need to perform maintenance, go with the Bimmerlink. Straight to the point for you without wasting your time. Hope this video provided a little bit of value, guys, on what are the main differences. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.